who told me that. But he doesn't look anything like Edward. Okay?
He was fully at home. Went down. Let's hope that I do, right? No, whether I win or not, it will not be because I have a great book. Thank you so much, guys.
And girls can sail around the world. Is this a girl? She's hot.
She's alright.
Alright. Is there a swimsuit shot anywhere in
What are you going to do in the swimsuit shot?
everything?
And what?
Come on.
What?
Give me that Sam.
What?
Sam, you're going to wreck it.
I'm totally gonna wreck it. I'm gonna wreck it repeatedly.
Bye-bye, you just lost your camera.
Well done, Charlie. Sure.
What are you doing? Go take Mickey Mouse.
Elevators.
What are yours?